Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the service cover. Removal. Slide the two battery lock latches to the unlocked position, identified by an unlock icon. Lift the rear edge of the battery from the battery bay. Remove the front edge of the battery from the tabs in the battery bay and remove the battery. Replacement. Tow the front edge of the battery under the tabs in the battery bay. Lower the rear edge of the battery into the battery bay and press the battery into its connector on the system board. Slide the two battery lock latches to the locked position, identified by a lock icon.